Expo 2020 Dubai is the largest exhibition of technology and human achievements. There weren't only people, but more than 150 autonomous robots to interact with, which was custom-built to aid with everything from public safety to beverage delivery. These robots were designed to improve the visitor's experience of the World Fair. In this video, we're going to show you some of the amazing robots that you never knew existed. A friendly orange robot called Opti has been seen rolling around the World Fair, greeting visitors and offering up information, including directions and jokes. The primary role of Opti is to welcome visitors and encourage fun engagement. Opti is more geared towards the children as they do different facial expressions to stand next to and take photos. Opti can be found around the walkways of Expo 2020, sometimes dancing with his buddies, and is a hit, especially among young visitors. Talabots carry orders from Talabot's two-story cloud kitchen for customers at designated delivery points on the Expo site. The robots are capable of making thousands of orders daily. They also have password-secured large compartments to enable several deliveries in a single trip. Clients can unlock a robot using special unique QR codes or order IDs to ensure that food is delivered safely, contactless, and seamless to customers. The service helps solve several issues in food delivery, including the shortage of delivery personnel and meeting delivery time. The patrol robot is found on the walkways of Expo Dubai. It protects and monitors the site through facial recognition and thermal cameras. It also ensures that visitors stay in their lanes and maintain social distancing, observing the COVID-19 prevention and control requirements on site. The high-performance mobile platform also uses voice recognition to respond to your questions, conduct 24/7 surveillance, and deliver emergency announcements. The metallic tour guides of Expo 2020, the attendant robots, show you the way to your designated destination. The robots are fully equipped with multimodal interaction, including voice interaction with natural language processing, facial detection, and facial recognition. They can display images, text, audio, and video for visitors to access and receive necessary information. It's a delivery robot used to perform different roles in Expo 2022. They were used to transport goods and other materials around the park. They can be fitted with racks to carry visitor guides, reading materials, or maps. Apart from that, they can also carry a poster frame, baskets, and catering trays. These delivery robots are completely autonomous, with no human interference. Another configuration combination transforms the robot into a mobile smart container, distributing drinks and snacks around the expo. Chinese companies also displayed the latest technologies at Expo 2020 Dubai. For instance, UBTech Robotics, a Shenzhen-based artificial intelligence and humanoid robotics company, showcased its 1.3-meter-tall, 63-kilogram robot called UU that shakes hands with people and welcomes them to one of the biggest buildings on site. UU is an ambassador of peace and friendship. It introduces visitors to China's experience in smart cities, agriculture technologies, and environmentally friendly practices. With 41 joints, UU can perform Tai Chi and demonstrate its Chinese calligraphy skills as well as other traditional Chinese arts and techniques. The robot can guide visitors, dance, run, draw pictures, and perform feats like Chinese Kung Fu. At the China Pavilion, the friendly panda robot was a superstar among curious visitors. All robots are weatherproofed. They can operate at temperatures ranging from -10 Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. They turn to their charging points and can recharge themselves without human intervention as their batteries run out. Now, let's quickly look into some of the innovations and technologies introduced in Dubai Expo 2022. UK's contribution to the Dubai Expo 2020 is a cross-laminated wooden pavilion, which has been designed to display a series of AI-generated poems during the international event. The cone-shaped pavilion has a circular facade, made from protruding slats, with each essential part exhibiting words input by the visitors. Poems created by visitors and generated by AI are written in English, Arabic, and many other languages using LED lights on the facade. The purpose of the building is to express Britain as a cultural gathering arena, to assemble and blend ideas and languages from across the globe. As sustainability is one of the key themes at Dubai's World Expo, the Netherlands Pavilion integrated a climate system that harvests water energy through innovations. The pavilion itself is a cutting-edge sustainable innovation, a centerpiece structure of an 18-meter-tall, cone-shaped vertical farm. The technology Sun Glacier produces water from air via solar power to irrigate crops. The aim is to allow farming even in places where the temperatures are typically too high, like the desert heat of Dubai. The top of the cone sucks in air to capture moisture and produces water through a condensation process powered by solar panels installed on the rooftop. With this technique, the pavilion can have up to 1,200 liters of water a day. Virgin Hyperloop, the only company globally that has successfully tested Hyperloop technology with passengers, offered Expo 2020 visitors in Dubai. Visitors were able to see a full-scale commercial cargo pod replica, which measured nearly 10 meters long, and were also be able to sit inside a cutaway passenger pod to see what a future journey on Hyperloop might feel like. The aim of this vacuum-tubed Hyperloop is to give a sneak preview of plans for a transportation system and to set the standard for 21st century travel, which will allow people to travel between cities within minutes. It is said that the company is now working to make the Hyperloop a reality in years. At Expo 2022, Dubai Islamic Banking presented a smart mirror. A rectangular-shaped smart device is the height of a person. When a man stands in front of this mirror, he can see all of his personal information in seconds, such as what accounts you have, what credits you have, how many cards you have, and much more. The person is recognized through biometric technology by fingerprint or face. The laboratory for the robotics system presented a symbolic design for walking robots. The design involves a parallel elastic element and a clutch mechanism on the knee joint. It switches seamlessly using different modes. The aim is to allow engineers to extend the robot's capabilities with additional tasks and ways of moving. Engineers have presented a device that recognizes commands spoken without sound. The device hangs on a person's chest, which reads information from the person's lower jaw using an infrared camera and built-in microprocessor, which processes the data and transfers the command to a smartphone using Bluetooth. The device preserves the user's privacy as it can only see its chin. Engineers have trained robots to pick mushrooms better than humans. The machine is equipped with a technical vision system to recognize mushrooms by size 24 hours a day without damaging their soft structure. Building this system is to integrate it into any mushroom farm easily. DP World's Flow also presented its 10-meter cargo container at the Dubai Expo. The capsule can travel 1,200 kilometers per hour using electronic propulsion. It can transport 3,400 people per hour, which equals 24 million people a year. Expo 2020 will always be remembered as the first international mega event that allows users to interact with different types of robots that perform various functions for daily activities. Also, the technologies that are showcased bring out the adoption of digital and innovative solutions around the world. So which robot or technology from the Dubai Expo do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.